Lightning can strike from a clear blue sky, miles away from any storm cloud in sight. But somehow, it almost always shows up exactly when the rain starts falling. Inside a thunderstorm, ice crystals and water droplets are getting thrown around violently by rising and sinking air. Every collision knocks electrons loose. Lighter particles drift upward, carrying a positive charge. Heavier particles sink down, carrying a negative charge. Within minutes, the bottom of the cloud turns intensely negative, and the ground below turns positive in response. That difference builds and builds until the air itself can't hold it back anymore. The result is a channel of superheated plasma, reaching temperatures near 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of the sun. That's the flash you see as lightning. The rain isn't causing the lightning at all. They're both just side effects of the same violent collision happening inside the cloud. So next time a storm rolls in, remember, the rain hitting your window and the bolt lighting up the sky started from the exact same moment. They just took different paths down.